Hello my dear students, welcome you all to this English class. I am Kusum Kumari Behera from Rajalakshmi Girls High School, Chikiti. Dear students, tell me the names of some great persons who made our nation proud. Very good. So the names are Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, etc. etc. Okay. Now see the picture and recognize the names of the pictures. Okay. So here is the picture of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Very good. And this is the picture of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. This is the picture of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is the father of our nation. So next see the picture. It is the picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And here Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is the Iron Man of India. So dear students, now tell me who is the former president of India and also one of the greatest scientists of India? No? Okay, see the picture and recognize the person. Very good. So, he is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And can you tell me what is he popularly known? Very good. He is popularly known as the Missile Man of India. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a detailed text, a chapter of your detailed text, that is a Missile Man of India. Today we will discuss paragraph 1 to 3 of this chapter. Let's have the model reading now. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, better known as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was one of the most distinguished scientists of India. As he was intimately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts, he came to be known as the Missile Man of India. In 2002, he was elected as the 11th President of India and was widely referred to as the People's President. Dr. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in a Tamil Muslim family at Rameswaram in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father Jainulabdin was a boat owner and the imam of a local mosque. His mother Ashyama was a housewife. His father owned a ferry that took Hindu pilgrims back and forth between Rameswaram and Dhanushkodi. Kalam was the youngest of 4 brothers and sisters in his family. His ancestors had been wealthy traders, next, and landowners. But in course of time, the family fell on hard times and lost their properties, even their ancestral home. By his early childhood, the family had already become poor. Kalam had to sell newspaper to supplement his family's income. Next, Kalam started his elementary education at Ramnathpuram. He had a science teacher named Siva Subramania Iyer, who was very loving and affectionate. He always inspired Kalam to develop his skills so that he could compete with highly educated people in big cities. Once he invited the boy home for a meal, which his wife disliked and refused to serve a Muslim child like him. His teacher himself served Kalam while she watched them eat from behind the kitchen door. But his behavior, way of taking meal and cleaning the floor changed her attitude. When the teacher invited Kalam for the second time, his wife welcomed him and served him food herself. Dear students, this is all about the model readings of the paragraph 1, 2 and 3. Now let's have some difficult words, or which is the we call unfamiliar words and their meanings. Number 1, distinguished means very successful and admired by people. Admired means respect. Okay. Respectfully, it is called intimately, closely, inward, concerned, civilian, not related to armed force, space, empty area in the sky, missile, a weapon that is sent through the air and that explodes when it hits the thing it is aimed at. Look at the picture, dear students. This is the picture of a missile, widely referred to, popularly known or described. Next, Rameshwaram, a town on the Pamban Island in Tamil Nadu. It is well known for Ramanatha Swami temple. Imam, a religious man who leads a prayer in a mosque. See the picture. There is a man who leads the prayer. So, he is the Imam of this mosque. Mosque means a building in which Muslims worship. Okay, Hindus worship in the temple. Likewise, Muslims worship in the mosque. Ferry, a boat that carries people. Pilgrim means a person who travels to a holy place for a religious reasons. Dhanushkodi, an abandoned town in Tamil Nadu. The town was destroyed in 1964 cyclone. No one lives over there now. Ancestors, a person in a family who lived in a long time ago. Ancestral, belonging to people older than grandparents. Next, trader, a person who buys and sells things as a job in course of time, over a period of time. Supplement, to add something to improve. Elementary education, primary education. Affectionate, loving, inspire, to give somebody the desire to do something well. Refuse, to say no or deny, or you can say turn down. Serve, to give food. Attitude, the way you think and feel about. So dear students, this is all about the meanings of the difficult words. Now we will have the paragraphs descriptions one by one. See, Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, better known as Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was one of the most distinguished scientists of India. As he was intimately involved in India's civilian space program and military missile development efforts, he came to be known as the Missile Man of India. In 2002, he was elected as the 11th President of India and was widely referred to as the People's President. So dear students, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, whose full name is Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Okay, he was a greatest scientist. He was a very successful and respectful scientist of India. He was he was popularly known as the Missile Man of India. Do you know why? Because of his contribution, his involvement in the military missile development and India's civilian space program. In 2002, he was the 11th president. He was elected as the 11th president of India. So from the first paragraph, we got the information that APJ Abdul Kalam was a former president, and also a greatest scientist of India, and whose full name was Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. So next, second paragraph. Dr. Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 in a Tamil Muslim family at Rameshwaram in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father, Jainuddin, was a boat owner and the Imam of local mosque. His mother, Ashiama, was a housewife. His father owned a ferry that took Hindu pilgrims back and forth between Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi. Kalam was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sister in his family. So, Kalam was born on 15th October 1931, where he was born on Rameshwaram in the state of Tamil Nadu in a Tamil Muslim family. His father, whose name was Jainuddin, he was a boat owner and also a imam, the imam of a local mosque, and his father owned a ferry. Why he owned a ferry? Why did he own a ferry? To took the people back and forth between Rameshwaram and Dhanushkodi to the Hindu pilgrims. No doubt he was a Muslim, but still he helped the Hindu people, Hindu pilgrims, Hindu worshippers to go to the religious places. Kalam was the youngest of 4 brothers and 1 sisters. Next, his ancestors had been wealthy traders and landowners. But in course of time, the family fell on hard times and lost their properties, even their ancestral home. By his early childhood, the family had already become poor. Kalam had to sell newspaper to supplement his family's income. Kalam's mother, whose name was Ashiama, she was a housewife. And Kalam's ancestors, means the family members who lived in the family long ago, they were very rich. They were landowners and they were wealthy traders. But in course of a time, they lost their properties. Due to some difficulties, they lost their properties and also their home. Due to which Kalam's family was, that time they were poor. That's why Kalam did a work, that is sold newspaper. Kalam sold newspaper to add some money to his family's income. So this is all about the second paragraph. Now let's have the third paragraph. Kalam started his elementary education at Ramanathapuram. He had a science teacher named Siva Subramania Ayar, was very loving and affectionate. He always inspired Kalam to develop his skills so that he could compete with highly educated people in big cities. Once, he invited the boy home for a meal, which his wife disliked and refused to serve a Muslim child like him. His teacher himself served Kalam while she watched them eat from behind the kitchen door. But his behavior, way of taking the meal and cleaning the floor changed her attitude. When the teacher invited Kalam for the second time, his wife welcomed him and served him food herself. So in the third paragraph, Kalam had the primary education in Ramanathapuram. There he met a science teacher whose name was Shiva Subramania Ayar, who was very loving and affectionate. He always inspired Kalam to what? To improve or to develop his skills. Why? Why did he inspire Kalam? To face or to compete with highly educated people in big cities. And once Subramania Ayar, who was the science teacher of Kalam, invited Kalam for a meal. And when Kalam went to his house, his wife, means his science teacher's wife, refused and disliked Kalam. Why? Why she refused to serve the meal to Kalam? Because he was a Muslim child. And then, but she was watching everything. She watched everything behind the kitchen door. Kalam's science teacher served the meal to Kalam. And then what happened, dear students? Kalam's behavior, Kalam's way of taking meal and cleaning the floor changed the mindset of his science teacher's wife. He just changed her attitude unknowingly. But once again, his science teacher invited Kalam for second time. His wife welcomed him and also served him food herself. So dear students, this is all about the line by line description of these three paragraphs. So from these three paragraphs, what we got the information, what information we got that पिला माने आमे केतोटी जानले जे कलाम कोठी जन्म होइथिले से को फैमिली रे जन्म होइथिले तांको बापांको विषय रे किछि जानले तांको मांको विषय रे किछि जानले तांको पूर्व पुरुषंको विषय रे किछि जानले तांको पाठ पढा विषय रे किछि आमे एठी जानिले प्लस आमे कोन जानले जे से हमरा फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट थिले बोली जानले ता सहित से गोटे ग्रेटेस्ट साइंटिस्ट बोली मध्ये आमे जानिले. So this is all about the descriptions of the three paragraphs. Now we will have some questions. Now let's check your knowledge what you got from this class. Okay, so now we will have some question and answers related to these paragraphs. Okay, see, what is the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam? Very good. The full name of APJ Abdul Kalam was Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Next, why is Dr. Kalam known as the Missile Man of India? Very good, my dear students, because of his contribution in India's civilian space program and military missile development. Very good. Next, number 3 question. When was Kalam elected as the 11th President of India? Very good. The answer right or correct answer is in 2002. Next, what did Kalam's father own? Very good. Kalam's father owned a ferry. What did Kalam do to supplement his family's income? Very good. Sold newspaper. So this is the 5 questions and answers of this paragraph. Next have, who was Siva Subramanya Iyer? Think and say, my dear students, who was Siva Subramanya Iyer? Very good. His science teacher, means Kalam's science teacher. Next, what did Siva Subramanya Iyer inspire Kalam? Very good. To develop his skills. His means Kalam skills, okay. To compete with the educated people in big cities. Very good. Next, why did Siva Subramanya Iyer's wife dislike him? Very good, because he was a Muslim child. Kalam was a Muslim child. What changed Kalam's science teacher's wife's behavior? What changed? Very good. Kalam's behavior. Way of taking meal and cleaning the floor. Kalam unknowingly changed the behavior of the science teacher's wife. Okay, next. How did Siva Subramania Iyer's wife behave him later? Very good. She welcomed Kalam and served him food herself when he was invited second time. Okay. So dear student, this is all about the answer in a word or in a phrase. 10 questions and answers. Now let's have the fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dr. Abdul Kalam was born on days? Very good. 15th October 1931. Next. His father was a boat owner and a desk. The Imam of a local mosque. Mosque means it is the place where the Muslim pray. Okay. Kalam started his elementary education at this. Very good. Ramanathpuram. Next. His science teacher was very loving and this affectionate. Number 5. His ancestors had been wealthy traders and this. Very good. Landowners. So dear student, this is all about the discussion of the question answers of these 3 paragraphs. I have a nice quote for you which is also by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Here are the quotes. Dreams is not what you see in sleep. Actually dream is a thing which doesn't let you sleep. By Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So dear students, for today this is all about. Thank you my dear students. Bye bye.